Suite 501 at Four Seasons Prague. It's a glorious Sunday morning. I'm looking out at the Charles River. The sun is shining. Autumn is supposed to be here, but look at it. I can't believe the whole thing is so attractive and gorgeous. There are people downstairs having breakfast outside. I'm starting with the sitting room where I have beautiful canopies and a bottle. I'm swinging around. I've got enough water to keep even me going. They know my favorite fruits. It's a typical Four Seasons design. It doesn't smack in the face. It's understated, actually. Now I'm in the bedroom, as you can see. Big walk-in closet with the safe and the iron and ironing board. And diptych toiletries. Oh good, a clock inset in the mirror. How lovely. And a tub with big handles. How lovely. And diptych toiletries in the shower that are not on the wall. How lovely. That's my rallying call for today here at Four Seasons Prague. How lovely.